Hey guys, welcome back to the Mr. Fix-It channel. On this episode, I'm going to see if I can get this old Suzuki running and driving again. Stay tuned. So I guess you could say I inherited this bike. This is a 1981 Suzuki GS850L. And it's been off the road for quite some time. So if we look at the old tag here, yeah, that says 2011. And I'm pretty sure it's been sitting outside this entire time, and it's in really rough shape. So there's no gas cap, so the tank's got water in it. It's missing one of the cam covers here. It does have the carbs and the airbox on it, which is a good sign. Both tires are completely shot. The exhaust has got rust holes in it, and I could not find the seat for it. But if I can get this old bike running and driving again, I got plans for this thing. But it is very rough. Well, I guess the first thing I should do is see if the engine spins over. It actually came out very easily. It's a good sign. Oh my goodness. That don't look good. You'll see what I mean here in just a second. Oh my. There's actually little cockroaches inside the engine. Oh my. Oh my god. Yeah, this is going to be a challenge to get this thing running. The advancer's stuck. Will it run, guys? I don't know. Let's see if the engine's stuck. I gotta get the right socket. Oh, it is turning. Wow, I just don't believe it. It's not making a full turn though. Yep. It's got some rust in the cylinders. Alright, I'm going to pop off these spark plugs and get some lube in there. Alright, that one looks good. That one looks good too. Ooh, that don't feel good. Yeah, that's the corroded one. Cylinder number 3. Yep, the intake valve's open. These spark plugs were not in there very tight at all. Okay, that one don't look great, but it's better than the last one. Put a little extra in that one. Alright, now I got some lube in them cylinders. I'm going to see if I can get this to spin all the way over. There's the crunchy bit. That's 360 degrees. I think it's a valve that's stuck. Because it's going more than 360. I don't think it's in the cylinders. I think it's a valve that's stuck. Oh, I think it just freed up. Yep, there it goes. She's free. Free as a bird. Free Willy. Oh yeah. Well, it may run. I see the cam spinning through the opening here. Wow, that's amazing. God, I can smell the inside of the engine though. It stinks. Blew this out. Get some lube on this timing advancer. Oh my God, there's bugs crawling out of the engine. Just gonna hose everything down in here. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. Wow, I can't believe this engine spins over. There's the intake valve on number 4. There's the exhaust valve opening on number 4. There's the exhaust on number 3 opening. There's the exhaust on number, or the intake on number 3 opening. Well, depending on what them carburetors look like on the inside, maybe I'll get this running. The clutch lever still moves. Can't tell if the throttle's stuck or not because the cable's broken or something. Can't reach in there to do it manually. It's like the choke rod's stuck. I'll take his gas tank off. So far, none of these bolts have been hard to get out. Probably shouldn't have said that. I probably just jinxed myself. I'm going to toss these spark plugs back in because I don't want no debris to get in these holes. Alright, let's see what we got under here. Oh, the fuel line's not connected. That's a big plus. And that's, hear that? There's 3 gallons of water in this tank. Oh, you got to see this. I'm going to take this over here if I can. Are you ready? Wait for it. Yeah. Yeah, we'll see. Well, the throttle moves a little bit. I don't think it's stuck. I think it's just the cable. I think this has got dual. No, it's missing the return cable. And they are stuck a little bit. No, there it goes. Well, there's ups and downs on this. It may run. Tell me what you guys think. Is this thing gonna run again? I don't know. It might. Alright, so I just gotta know what these carburetors look like. I'm gonna try to get this air box apart. Well, I don't think the air box is any good. That's a shame. See, I need a 10mm wrench for that. This might help things out a little bit. Well, that's already loose. I'm betting these intake boots are going to fight me. Ask me how I know. Just a little lube in here. Maybe it'll help. Oh no. It's already not looking good. Oh well. The intake boots are just broken all to hell. Yeah, so those are no good. Wow, okay. So those will definitely have to be ordered. Oh my god, look inside. So this bike is like a roller coaster, right? One minute you think, oh, it might run. Next minute you think, oh, maybe not. Yeah, that's corrosion. Tell me what you think. Alright, place your bets. What's it going to look like inside here? Is it ruined? Give you a little hint. I did hear the floats bouncing up and down. There's 2 screws, that's a good sign. 3 for 3. Is the suspense getting to you yet? Oh, I don't want to rip this float bolt gasket. It's not bad. That's amazing to me. Well, that's not rubbery no more. I think I have more of those. It's not bad. These carbs look like they're fine. Well, probably speaking too soon. Let me get the rest of these bowls off. Yeah, that one's got a bunch of rust down it. But it looks like it was just settled in there, and when I flipped them over, that's when it... Yeah, it was just settled in there. Oh wow. I am very surprised. These carburetors might still be usable. That one's even still shiny on the inside. Okay. All this powdery stuff in there must be from the intake boots. Carbs are fine. What about the slide diaphragms? That's another question. Let me just see if they move. Hello, Spider. Yeah, I'm in your home. There we go. Well, they're a little stiff. They may come around. I don't see any tears. And it's still clean inside there. Alright, that's good news. I'm going to put these back together for now. And when I get the time, I'm going to disassemble and clean these carburetors profusely, because I believe they are worth saving. Alright guys, well that's pretty much it for this episode. I'm going to have to break this up into several different parts because this bike is going to require quite a bit of work to get it back on the road. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to see more of this bike, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.